So Sunday night, I was in New York with Eric from Friday Nights, and we decided to go to this comedy club. Apparently it's like a really famous comedy club, but it's a Sunday night, so it's pretty much dead. There's like 30 people inside of this place, and the host of the comedy night walks up on stage. He's like, hey, what's up everybody? How's everyone doing? Do we have anyone from out of town? These two guys in the front row, they raise their hand and they say they're from Estonia, and then he cracks some joke about Eastern Europe, and he's like, all right, anyone else from out of town? You two over there, you look like you're from out of town. And they end up being from Bangkok, so he says something about how Bangkok is a lovely place to visit. And there's this white dude sitting in the front row, and he's like, you right there, I know you American, you voted for Trump 4 times. Turns out the guy's Canadian, so he's like, wow, we got a lot of international travelers in the building today. Traveling is amazing. It's a great thing. I love it, love it, love it. In fact, I've never been somewhere that I haven't liked traveling to. Actually, there's one place I've been that I haven't liked. It's called Winnipeg. Now, most of you probably don't know where Winnipeg is. Keep it that way. It is cold. Negative 35 degrees, I'm talking Fahrenheit calculus. I don't care what you're saying. It is freezing. I once saw a dog peeing. He was peeing out icicles. That's how cold it is in Winnipeg. The entire crowd's laughing. Me and Eric are sitting there awkwardly, just sort of minding our own business. And he's like, but anyway, man, traveling is a great time. I love it, love it, love it. Anyone else from out of town? Me and Eric sort of awkwardly raise our hands. It's like, where are you guys from? You spilled coffee on your pants?
Already, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Just put these on, man.
It looks like you peed yourself, buddy.
This is awful.
This is not a good start to the day.
It's a rough Thursday, man, but we're gonna keep moving anyway, regardless.
It's Wednesday.
Is it Wednesday?
Alright, you guys remember how I smashed my camera lens when I was in Minneapolis? The videos have been a little tighter on my face. This lens is great, don't get me wrong, but I prefer the wide angle lens, so we're at the camera store right now. We're gonna go get a wide angle lens. No, I'm good. Okay.
Filter to protect the lens?
No, I got extras.
Would you like a bag?
No, I'm okay. Thanks.
Thanks, have a good day.
It looked like a push. Oh, it was a push. It looked like a pull. That's what we're looking for. We got the camera lens. Let's go. This is what the lens I was using looked like, and this is what the lens I just bought and the lens I usually use looks like. It's just a lot wider. When you pick up the camera like this, it's a lot easier to fit yourself and fit your friend in frame. How you doing today, by the way? I didn't ask you how you're doing.
Dude, I'm doing pretty good. You know what? It's kind of cold right now, but like, we're making it work. It's Winnipeg, so at the end of the day, what are you gonna do? You gotta enjoy the day regardless.
Move.
So
you could move.
You could move
to somewhere warmer.
LA.
I'm a proponent of the.
Maybe I'd like to go there. You say you don't
LA
like
is,
it.
but I don't like LA. It's just, it takes an hour to drive everywhere. By the way, guys, I have a pair of shoes that I got in the mail yesterday. Yesterday. I have no idea what they are. I got them in the mail, haven't opened them up yet. I don't even know where they're from. I'm actually pretty freaking excited to take a look at these guys. Let's get into the sneaker room and see what we got. I lost my Mike's Hard Lemonade key, I think, again. It just always disappears, so we're using a pen today. I don't know what these are. They just sort of showed up in the mail. No one told me they were sending anything. I didn't buy anything that, I don't think I bought anything at least online, so this is a bit of a surprise for the, Alex, don't open up stuff with a pen, dude. Just invest in a knife.
Yeah, you don't lose your knife. Okay.
Let's go. Oh, what is it? Cool. It's a Puma.
Suedes.
Thank you, Puma. Okay, so this is the 50th anniversary of the Puma Suede. I actually do remember this now. They sent me an email about this. 50th anniversary of the Puma Suede, which of course is one of the most classic sneakers. And they're doing like a whole bunch of collaborations with different brands on the Puma Suede to sort of commemorate the anniversary. So this is one of them. This one, as funny as this is a FUBU collab. This is right. This is a FUBU collab on a pair of sneakers. Tom, enjoy the latest from our FUBU times Fuma. Puma times Fubu. Puma times Fubu capsule. Caps. Alex, I'm having a stroke. This is what it says. You guys read it. The suede hit the scene in 1968. It's been changing stuff from 80s b-boys to today's hustlers. Today's hustlers don't wear this. Basically, I think of this shoe like if you want to be a pimp from the 70s and you rock these. Okay, I haven't seen this colorway. Let's see what we're working with it. Woo!
That's actually nice.
These are saucy.
That's really nice.
These are saucy. Like, I get this isn't a hyped up shoe, so you idiots that are gonna be like, oh, this shoe's trash. I get this isn't hyped, and I get it's gonna sit on shelves and probably go on sale. But that doesn't mean it can't be a fresh looking shoe.
I think it's nice, man.
Right?
Honestly.
Oh my goodness, it's like red velour on the inside. Have you ever sat inside a Pimpmobile?
Personally?
Yeah. If you had a Pimpmobile, your seats would be upholstered with this red velour.
They'd have to be, man.
This is crazy.
Nice.
So it's like this all black suede with this
It's got a good texture.
black velour stripe with the red piping. Red velour on the inside. It comes with black laces, red laces, white laces. Where are the extra? Oh, the extra laces are inside the shoe, obviously. And so the other shoe, I'm assuming, looks exactly the same. Yes, it looks exactly the same. And then on the tongue, it says "for us, by us," which is why'd they send me a size 11? Oh, UK 11. Okay, we're good.
You're reading it wrong.
Puma, you scared me. I thought you sent me a UK size 11. I mean a US size 11, and that wouldn't have fit my foot. This is my first pair of Puma suedes. I have no experience with this model. I think it's pretty cool. Ooh, you got that like red sort of translucent gummy looking bottom. That is pretty cool. Cardi B called these bloody shoes.
Well, you know what, man? I love this logo too. Like, this is nice. Like, it's a clean shoe.
It is a clean shoe.
It's a clean shoe.
I'd agree. It's a very clean shoe.
It's super nice. The inside is beautiful, man.
The inside
You know
is
what I mean?
beautiful.
I love that red.
Guys, if you want to buy these, I'll leave a link down in the description, assuming they are available now. If they're not, I'll leave a link down to some regular Puma suedes. Go check it out. It's a cool model. My buddy Rich has a couple pairs of them. He wears them all the time. They look nice if you're just wearing like jeans or khakis or joggers. It's a simple throw-on shoe. Or if you want to wear a velour tracksuit with them and just go full like Brooklyn b-boy. Just go for it, dudes. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have. That's pretty much my entire thoughts on this shoe. I mean, it's cool. Thank you, Puma, for sending this out. Pretty fresh pair of kicks.
Thank you,
That
Puma.
being said, I need to get going to basketball practice right now. Goodness, I just walked into the girls' varsity game after our practice. It's overtime right now. This is the most insane game I've ever seen,
I've
Alex.
never witnessed this crazy of a game in my life. I swear. You got to see it to believe it. No, man.
This game is insane. 59-59. We're going into overtime. Yeah, man. This is amazing.
Incredible action right now. I've never witnessed this crazy game in my life. I swear. Oh, man. It's all around the world. Great foul. It's good. It's a good call. We're at the line. We're at the line, I think. Let's go Hawks. Come on. Right on.
I don't know if we've... Ooh, that's tight.
Oh yeah, man.
That's tight.
Yo, but
I don't know if we've introduced you yet.
what's going on, like everybody, YouTube out there on the internet? My name's Alex Stefanko. No, one of the greatest.
This is primetime entertainment.
One of the greatest Wednesdays I've ever been to.
What?
One of the greatest.
We have a 5-point lead. We have a 5-point lead. With 43.8 seconds left. We're on the line to make it a 6-point lead.
It's gonna be good.
Who said girls basketball is boring? Who said that? I may have said that in the past. I may have said that.